Hello everyone, welcome back once again to our channel Blessings of Life. Today is a small shopping vlog with a super yummy mincemeat roll for our dinner. We had some purchases for our daughter's Christmas friend, some stationery items, her mobile repair, etc. My son had gone to his school for attending NSS, that is National Service Scheme Day Camp. The camp is so useful and meaningful, and the guys just love it. I shall share some sneak peeks of the valedictory function soon. My daughter and myself got out at a very odd time, in fact 1:30 p.m. after finishing our lunch and cleaning work. It was so hot. We had decided to go to Broadway. As such, Broadway shopping is an emotion. And when it comes to Caravan Ice Cream Parlor, it's always a nostalgic emotion for most of the Kochiwalas. We got in there and ordered a fruit salad and a lotus biscoff ice cream. Both tasted really good. At the Broadway entrance itself, there is a vendor on the roadside who sells second-hand books, yet very neat ones, at 40% discount. My daughter bought a book, and then we went to Francis D. Sales to buy some essential stationery. I just went to its first floor and found really good collection of 2022 diaries. From there, we went to a nearby shop to repair daughter's phone. Once the school reopens, it is necessary that the mobile is intact. Repaired it, and the phone looked just like a Spider-Man phone with lots of rubber band on it with the display corrected. Then went to an optical shop nearby to fix the nose pin for my specs, and we rushed back home. By the time we reached, my son also had reached back, made tea and served it with Udunu Vada from Swami's shop in Peta, which will be known to many of us, and homemade sambar too. After a wash and prayer, got into the kitchen for dinner cooking. Now let's get into the recipe of mincemeat roll. I have taken around half kilo meat, added salt, turmeric powder, garlic chopped or even garlic powder. I have added garlic powder, little pepper and some vinegar. Pressure cook it for 6 to 7 whistles or till soft. Once the meat is cooked well, there will be excess water in that. Don't discard the water, you can keep it aside for broth or even to make soups. What you need for the filling is 1 chopped onion, some coriander leaves, some sauces and 1 boiled potato. I have drained out the excess water, and you can grind the beef in a mixie and keep it aside. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add each ingredient, that is 1 chopped onion. You need just a very small onion. I have only used 3/4 of the mincemeat mixture to make 5 chapati rolls. Add some chopped garlic or even garlic powder. Saute well. Once the raw smell goes, add the sauces. I have added half teaspoon each of fish sauce, dark soy sauce, tomato sauce and Worcester sauce. Once that is sauteed well, a great aroma comes. Add 1 boiled potato, mashed in fact, to this and mix well. Use masher if needed. Now add the minced meat. I have added just the 3/4 portion which we have grinded. Mix it really well. I have used a masher to mash this well. Add some pepper powder because there is no other extra spice into it, so adjust the pepper powder accordingly. Add the chopped coriander leaves. You can even use celery. Mash it really well, and then keeping all this aside, add 1 egg mixed with salt and then mix it with the mince. The mincemeat mixture is done. Now take a chapati and spread some tomato sauce, or even the sauce of your liking. You can even add mayonnaise. Spread the mince as much as you want. Note that the mixture is really hot. So once the grated cheese, this is grated cheese, so put some grated cheese and roll. The cheese will melt in this heat of the mincemeat. Served hot with mayonnaise or tomato sauce. This yummy roll is so filling. You can make this mince and store it in the fridge. If you want to keep it for long, avoid potatoes and add it only on the day that you make the rolls. Try it once and you will just love it. Your support means a lot to us. Please contact us on the number given in the description. You can even DM or WhatsApp me for all the enquiries, collabs and reviews. Once you make the dishes, do send snaps to my number. Please share the link of the channel to the maximum. For more interesting vlogs, please stay tuned to Blessings of Life. Thank you.